What is up, Lowheat sneakerheads? Have a very exciting pair of Lowheat here to unbox for you today, and a couple reasons for getting this pair. I have to keep it a buck. I was influenced into purchasing these. The boys on the Complex Sneaker podcast have brought these up and talked about them on numerous occasions, and sneaker connoisseur and sneakerhead, the GOAT sneakerhead, Joe LaPuma himself, likes these. And so, got me interested in them. And, I went online. I was like, there's not a lot of videos about these. So I thought, I bet there's a lot of people like me interested in these specific shoes. Let's get them. Let's unbox them. Let's try them out for all my Lowheat viewers out there. So this is for you. Cop these at retail, not on sale. These are not cheap. $220 is retail on these bad boys. Plus, shipping, taxes, all that jazz. This was not a cheap pair, and I did it all for you. I did it for you. And, if anyone from Salomon's watching, throw the Complex Sneaker Podcast guys some love, because it was their doing that pushed me over the edge into getting these. Put these on the radar, put these on the map, and now I have them in hand. So I hope you guys appreciate it. I hope some of you, if you guys could show me love for, putting these on the credit card, that would be much appreciated. Yes. Simple, just, move your finger over, click, subscribe, thumb, what have you, mouse, touchpad. That would be greatly appreciated. Make this investment a little bit more worth it. Always stings paying for Lowheat at full price. I love to get things under retail or on sale, what have you, of course. But sometimes you just got to do it for the love of our little YouTube followers. All you people eating your Lunchables during break at work or at home, tuna fish sandwiches, Trader Joe's wraps. Let me know what you're eating while you're watching this. So here we go. Enough with that. Enough with the intro. On to the actual shoes. We have the Salomon XT-4 Advanced in evening blue, Nimbus Cloud, and lavender, aka the tie-dye Salomon XT-4 Advanced. Got these in 11.5. Took a little gamble. We'll see. Generally with new models, athletic performance shoes, I like to go a half size up just in case they're too tight. I'm generally speaking, 12 will always do me good. Maybe they'll be a little loose, but I know I'll always fit into them. Here, I wanted them to be a little more snug because these are trail runners. Whew. Pause. Okay. That's a pretty dope shoe. Pretty dope sneaker. Can already tell why it's more expensive retail. You can just tell the construction and quality of this is towards the upper end. And I gotta say, these look dope in hand. These, yet again, for the 99 out of 100 times, better in hand than in the photos. The material in photos, it's just like a tie-dye, trail runner. In hand, though, you can tell all the differences between this and that. Colors pop more. The tie-dye really pops more in hand than in some photos. Just as you turn the shoe, you can see the gradients change better than on a static photo. So yeah, first impression, already a dope sneaker. Here's the other shoe. So yeah, I was influenced into getting these. I'll admit it. Let me know in the comments if you guys are easily influenced and what shoes you've copped because of other people have copped them. Now, that's only one reason why I copped these. I also copped these because I don't have a true pair of trail runners. This is the closest I have to currently. The Nike Air Max 270 Bowfins. Did a wear review on these. Check that out. And I have other outdoor shoes. I have hiking shoes. I do a bunch of hiking and camping and have various footwear, gore-tex Air Force Ones, did a wear review on those, gore-tex runners. I have all sorts of things that are geared for outdoors, outdoorsing. But I don't have like any more a pair of like true trail runners. At one point I had a pair of like Columbia trail runners, but I wore through those. So I really wanted, I've been in the market, I've been looking for a pair of trail runners, and finally came across these. I was holding out because Nike has various ones, gore-tex ones, the Pegasus gore-tex runner or trail runner that I'm interested in getting, but you know, Nike is more for the, you're getting it for the swoosh. They always look clean. You're getting it for the aesthetic. Sometimes they're not quite peak performance shoes. This, you know, you're not paying for the swoosh, you're paying for the construction and the design and the technology. So that's where the most of the dollars are going towards in this sneaker. And so that's what I wanted. Also, bonus, wanted to be copying a pair of Salomons for a long time. And what's great about copying non-Nike or Adidas shoes is that you don't have to pair it with the rest of your outfit to match brands. Whenever I throw on a pair of Nikes, I feel like I can't wear anything Adidas, have to go neutral tops or Nike. With these, I can wear something Adidas, I can wear something Nike on top. I don't have to think about what brands I'm putting on, because this is just, you know, I don't have to pair this with all my Salomon gear. So that's another bonus to this. Let's try one of these on so you guys can see. Actually, what am I doing? I'm skipping over some details here. You got the quick lace system on these. I'm unsure on this. I do like sliding into shoes. I'm lazy. At the same time, like tucking this in. Let me know in the comments how you tuck your quick lace systems in. Sometimes this just, I don't know what to fucking do with this. But it is nice to get into, that's for sure. You have a, this outsole is the, what is this? The Contra Grip. Contra Grip outsole. That's a proprietary outsole, rubber outsole technology for Salomon. You can see the alternating traction, raised traction bumps for good gripping forward, backwards. I know trail runners are in style for like streetwear and just they're trendy right now. I don't love wearing, I intend to use this as a like hiking shoe, or, you know, if I'd ever get in more shape, actually running on trails with these. And if you wear these as day-to-day sneakers, although they might be comfortable, you're going to wear down this traction on the cement. So I like to keep my traction in shape and not have these wear out prematurely just using them every day. I'm going to try to keep these, for the most part, as true trail runners, hiking shoes, hiking sneakers. So I will not be wearing these as an everyday shoe. Again, at $220 retail, I want these to last as long as possible. Now, if I'm running, I have seen some reviews, unfortunately, that these can wear out quickly, but I'm unfortunately not a regular trail runner. Fortunately, I don't have to replace these quickly, but if I was in more shape, you know, it'd be worth it. It'd be definitely worth it. So you have this, that traction system, and you have a, you know, nylon inner. These are not waterproof. Apparently the XT6s are waterproof. The XT4s are not. I think they are relatively water resistant, not waterproof. The XT6s are waterproof. You can tell though, this is like a perforated top, like water's gonna go through this. You have the reinforced toe. If you go hiking at all, you know that that's definitely helpful. Back younger days, didn't quite understand why hiking shoes had reinforced toes, and then if you go hiking enough, you've stubbed your toe enough on rocks and roots, it's definitely helpful to have a reinforced toe, especially when you get tired, you get a little lazy, you stop looking where you're stepping and you run into things. This is definitely beneficial. And if you're running, you definitely don't want to slam your toe into a rock wearing something like this with a soft toe. Doesn't feel good. So that's a bonus. But anytime you add reinforcement like this, it adds weight. I can already tell in hand, this is fairly light, which is what you want. It's a good blend of reinforcement, reinforced sole, but at the same time doesn't add too much weight to it. So that's important. Okay, let's try these on here. As I said, currently I'm wearing these bowfins in the desert colorway. Got these at a Nike outlet for a steal. Sorry about that. Hazard of a janky setup. Got these for a steal. These took a while to break in, but once I got these broken in, they were pretty good. Anyways, check out that wear review. Still a little tight sometimes at the top, but these aren't true trail runners. These are like cool looking trail walking shoes. Pretty comfortable. I do use these kind of as everyday shoes, going against what I said about these. But again, I paid like $60 for those on sale. I didn't pay $220 for them. So let's try these on and try not to kick over the camera this time. While I'm trying these on, let me know in the comments what you guys use for trail runners, what your favorite shoes and models are, etc. So right away, here's that quick lace system in effect. Not bad. I don't have to put this anywhere. It took up enough space. Could tuck it in maybe, but actually that's kind of fine. I just don't love it flopping around there, but we'll deal with that later. I'm going to wait for your comments to tell me what I should do with this. I can tuck it in there. I already know the answer from you. Just tuck it in there. Already, I can tell you, I'm not standing up here. I can try to stand up to get the toe towards the end. Okay, now definitely standing up. It runs closer to the end. I think I'm glad I got these true to size. I think if you go a half size up, there'll be too much slippage. Now I'm wearing some wigwam socks that are thinner wigwam socks. This is something I would wear with these, both color-wise, looks kind of nice. But also this is the type of outdoor sock I would wear with these, is like a thin wigwam sock. Shout out to Wigwam, Wisconsin brand. Very high quality socks, a little pricey, but if you find them on sale, it's always a deal. So back to the sizing. I wouldn't go half size up because, especially if you're truly going to run in these. I hope to actually jog at least in these. Maybe not. But the heel would slip, I think, too much if you got these too big. I don't think I would go half. If you like a snug shoe, maybe you could go half size down. But I don't recommend that because anyone knows if you go on any miles and the rubbing feet are too tight, that's just not good for putting miles in, especially if you are jogging or running on a trail. So I highly recommend, as of now, true to size. If anyone knows better than me, by all means, let people know in the comments. I'll pin your comment to the top if there's any real big Salomon sneaker wearers who know better than me. By all means, weigh in the comments, and I'll pin your comment to the top. But definitely feel comfortable. I can feel them gripping at the top a little bit with this reinforcement here, but I think these will break in fine. They have an eco-ortholite insole. These are decent to begin with, I think. Sometimes they wear down though. So that's something. You could replace the insole with something better if you prefer, of course. But right away, I think these are pretty spicy. And I can't wait to take these out and test them out for you guys. I can do a wear review. I assume people would want that. Let me know in the comments if that's something you'd be interested in watching once I put some miles in these. Again, I was surprised. I don't see a ton of this colorway. Now, if you're looking for these, I got these off of Bodega. Sizes are kind of sporadic. You gotta hunt around for these. There are other colorways in the XT-4 Advanced. So if you don't care about the colorway or don't like this, definitely look. There's like a black, and then there's like a light brown colorway. There's the other models, the XT-6, that are similar. So definitely look around on the Salomon website. It's just the Salomon website was out in my size, so that's why I went to Bodega. These are somewhat popular though, so sizes are missing. The tie-dye ones I think are becoming popular, probably because people like me hear about them, etc. So again, I was surprised there wasn't as many wear review or unboxing videos of these online, so that's what I'm trying to do. I hate using the term for the culture, but I was trying to put one out there for the culture there. So there you have it. I take back saying that. I felt dirty saying that phrase just because I feel like it's overused, but in this case, I truly mean that, so that's why I used it. So yeah, here's the quick lay system. I guess, does it say where they suggest putting the laces? I can't read that diagram. Oh, yeah. It says, yeah, flip it down. Oh, tuck it in. I could tuck it in there. Can anyone make sense of this diagram? You pull it down and then... Oh, I cannot make sense of this diagram at all. Am I just a dummy? I might just be a dummy. I might be an idiot. Oh. Fold it into the tongue here. There we go. There we go. Stop shouting at me in the comments. God damn it. I figured it out. There we go. Everyone's already commented a million times like, you idiot, you tuck it into the tongue. I wish I had a million comments doing that. So yeah, please like, subscribe. There you go. I'm a big dummy. Anyone who like commented initially and got angry at me, I hope you're still watching and saw that I figured it out. Shout out to you if you stuck it out with me that long. See, I figured it out. It's all good. It's all good. Just took me a minute. These are my first pair like these. Chill. Definitely comfortable. Styling, if you care about what you look like in the woods for the gram, I suppose that's a thing. I mean, I care what I look like, but on a hike, I don't get that into it. I'm taking pictures of the stuff around me, not so much of myself. Now, maybe if I had a six-pack, maybe there'd be a little more selfies. Maybe if I trail run more, there might be a six-pack, and then, then I'll put a little bit more work into my fit for, hiking. But I would suggest, black, like I got a pair of ACG black pants, shorts on right now. I think that's a great option. And then a shirt on top that matches one of these colors in here somewhere. You got purple, pink, red, or you have the whole color of the rainbow to work with. So that would be my go-to fit. Some blue socks, maybe like this, some black socks, purple socks, whatever. These bad boys, black shorts, maybe white shorts, and then yes, a colorful top, solid color top to match these, match one of the colors in here. And I think that is one fire fit. So my rating on these, not having tested them out, just look on feet, unboxing, first initial thoughts. I think, give these a 7.75. 7.75 out of 10. That's my thoughts. We'll check back, subscribe for the wear review in the future, and maybe we'll readdress this rating. But my initial, I think I'm kind of a wild color person. At the same time, this isn't like the perfect thing for me. I just kind of, it's different. I don't have something like this. And I think this is a fun trail running shoe. So I think maybe a different color combo would tip this higher. Different shape of trail runner might tip this higher, but it's more about function, right? At the end of the day, how do these feel when you're hiking? How do these feel? They look decent as far as the silhouette goes and the shape. The colors, they're fun. But it's what it comes down to is how do these perform, and we'll find that out eventually. But I'm thinking already these will be decent. I can feel they're lightweight. Got that reinforced toe I was talking about, which is great. Slightly water resistant. Sometimes waterproofing though makes shoes really hot, so that's good. They'll have hopefully good ventilation with this not being waterproof. Just for rainy or wet situations, you might want to get those gore-tex Pegasus trail runners from Nike. Those I'm looking to get on sale eventually, and I'll do a wear review and unboxing of those. If enough people want to see that, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Back with some more Lowheat. Hope you appreciated my investment in the channel and you guys. That would be great, again, if you could subscribe and like for these.